सर्व सद्गुण संपन्ना गीता भक्ति परायणा भवितुं जीवनेऽस्माकं जागृता बालका वयम् उत्थाने राष्ट्रधर्मस्य विज्ञानदृष्टिमाशिता विवेकानन्दमार्गेण वयं सर्वे समर्पिताः।
So friends, in this scientific era, in this machine age, to believe and keep faith in God is very difficult for some people. They say that God doesn't do anything. Whatever happens and whenever happens, it is all because of our hard work. But there are few people who believe in hard work and have faith in God as well and practice prayers each and every day. Then whom should we follow? The ones who do not have faith in God, or the ones who have immensely strong faith in God?
Adarsh, my son, it is not healed yet.
No, mummy. Because of this injury, I will not get selected in today's inter-school competition. Otherwise, I would have definitely got selected.
Why are you saying like this, that it will not happen?
I know that, mummy. Because of this injury, I was not able to practice well. And now Sudhir is one step ahead of me. I am very sure he is going to get selected today. I wish I would have not got hurt. Otherwise, I would have been the one who would have got selected.
Don't feel bad, son. If it's God
No,
wills,
mummy.
then...
Now even your God can't do anything about it. Anyways, now I have to go and meet another devotee like you who will continuously praise God.
Who? Shikhar?
Yes, mummy. I have to meet him outside the temple and I'm very sure he's waiting for me there. Bye, mummy.
Bye.
सियावर रामचंद्र की
जय।
Pujari Baba, Prasad. Can I have more?
One gets prasad only once, my child.
Not for me. I'm asking for Adarsh. He's standing outside.
Then call him in, my child.
But Adarsh does not believe in God, Pujari Baba.
No issue, my child. When he will understand his glory, he will definitely come in.
How much do you pray, Shikhar? My legs are hurting because of you. I hope you remember, I have a severe leg injury.
Yes, but why you're looking so upset?
Why I'm upset? You know, right? It's final selection today, and because of this injury, I was not able to practice. I don't know if I'll get selected or not.
Look, you have worked hard for this competition. Have this Prasad. God will do his best.
You know, Shikhar, I don't believe in God.
Just believe once. All your wish will come true.
Is it? I know it very well that I cannot get selected today. But yes, if I get selected today, then I will definitely believe in your God.
You just believe in God. And listen,
Enough, Shikhar. I don't want to listen to your speech on God. Come, let's go. We are getting late.
Hey, Adarsh.
good
Good morning,
sir.
sir.
I was looking for you.
Why? What happened?
Actually, Sudhir got sick all of a sudden, so he didn't come to school. And that's why for inter-school competition, we have selected your name.
What?
Yes, but today you are late, so no issues. Please come tomorrow and sign the selection form. And then we will let you know about further preparations on the field. Okay?
Okay, sir. Did you hear that?
Yes, I heard it. But have you noticed God's miracle?
Yes, Shikhar. Now I believe. Your God is indeed great. Now I have full faith in your God. From tomorrow. Not tomorrow. In fact, Shikhar, today evening, I will also come with you to pray in the temple.
Sure.
Really, Shikhar, I can't believe that I got selected.
This is all his miracle.
You are very kind, God. Thank you so much. I never stepped into the temple. But you fulfilled my wish. And I got selected today. God, you're indeed great. Thank you so much.
Pujari Baba, not to me today. Give it to my friend Adarsh first.
Okay, so he is Adarsh.
Now he will also come to temple with me.
Mummy! Mummy, Bajrangbali ki Jai!
Adarsh, when did you start saying Jai for him?
Jai! Oh, Mummy, I even went to the temple today.
What? Is it real or am I dreaming?
No, Mummy, my dream turned into reality because of you and Shikhar's God. There was no chance. But you know, suddenly Sudhir got sick and I got selected in the inter-school competition.
Really?
Okay, Mummy, now I have to practice because tomorrow I have my final selection. And yes, I have to go to temple before I go to school. So I will leave early tomorrow.
But Adarsh, your injury is not healed yet.
No, Mummy, I'm perfectly fine. I just need to practice well.
Come on, Adarsh. Enough of your practice. Now let's have dinner.
Yes, mommy. Just 2 minutes.
No, right now. Come on, let's go.
Hey Shikhar, I practiced a lot last night. I'm very sure I will win this match.
Don't worry, my friend. You have faith in God, right? You will definitely win this match.
Yes. Principal sir, may I come in?
Adarsh, come in.
Principal sir, I had gone to the field to fill my selection form, but PT teacher refused to give me the form. He said my name is not mentioned in the list. But yesterday you told me that I got selected.
Look, Adarsh, I had clearly told you. Sudhir was not feeling well, so we had selected you in his place. But Sudhir has joined the school from today and he's feeling a lot better. PT teacher told us that when you had injured your leg during practice session, at that time he had practiced a lot. That's the reason why we have selected him. But don't worry, maybe next time, okay?
Adarsh, listen to me. What happened? Tell me.
What should I tell? What should I tell you? Tell me. Yesterday you told me I got selected because of your God. Now they threw me out after I got selected.
But tell me why.
Sudhir is perfectly fine today. If your God wanted, he could have been sick for few more days.
But this means that you wish bad for Sudhir. God never wishes bad for anyone.
Yes, he only thinks bad for me. That's why I'm out of the competition today.
Don't say that, Adarsh. Whatever God does, that is best for us.
How is this the best? Tell me, how is this the best?
Why you're getting so much angry? Just have faith in God.
How can I have faith in him? Your God is...
Hey Adarsh, listen! Adarsh! Listen to me, Adarsh! Come on, let's sit in temple for some time.
I don't want to go to the temple. He did this deliberately to make fun of me.
Adarsh! God, please forgive him. He is little upset now. Adarsh!
Friends, it happens many times. We feel that our work has been done and we have achieved our goals. But in last moment our boat sinks to the bottom and we feel a storm arrived and destroyed everything. That is the reason we lose faith in God in very few seconds. When we adults can do this, then Adarsh is just a kid, that too an atheist, who never believed in God, neither had faith in him. And somehow it got built and it broke again. So does that mean he was right? That God was doing something wrong with him? Or whether he was wrong, who was thinking that way?
Adarsh, you came back? How was your practice? Adarsh? What happened, dear? Adarsh? Adarsh? Dear, what happened? Adarsh? Adarsh, at least say something. What happened? Adarsh?
Auntie, where is Adarsh?
He's in his room and he locked his room. What happened in school?
Auntie, what happened is Sudhir has recovered now and today he came back to school. That's why he got reselected for competition and Adarsh has got deselected. That's why he's so upset.
So what's wrong in that? If not this time, then next time.
That's what I'm telling him. But he's not listening to me. Adarsh! Adarsh, open the door.
1 minute, I'll be back.
Adarsh! Adarsh, listen to me, friend. Adarsh!
Shikhar, please go away from here. I don't want to talk to anyone.
Don't say this, my friend. God will make everything right.
God. I have no faith in your God. You please go away from
Okay,
here.
I will not talk about him. You just open the door. Adarsh!
Hello?
Hello, are you Adarsh's mother? I am the school principal.
Yes, sir. Tell me.
Listen, there is a good news for Adarsh. Today we had received a call for state level competition and we have sent Adarsh's name on behalf of our school. And he has to represent our school at the state level, for which his training will start from tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Adarsh? Adarsh, dear, come out. There's a good news for you.
You are lying to me, mummy. You are saying this so that I open the door.
No, dear, your principal had just called. He informed that your name is sent for state level.
What?
Yes, Adarsh, really. Now you will be playing for state level.
See, Adarsh, I have told you that God always do what is best for us. You did not get selected for inter-school competition because you were supposed to play for state level.
I now understand. Let's go.
Where?
To ask God for forgiveness. Dear God, I'm indeed very sorry. I completely misunderstood you. And you still gave me this golden opportunity. Honestly speaking, you are very kind. My friend was always right. God will always do what is best for us. But I acted like a fool. I didn't understand your intention. Please forgive me, God. Please forgive me.
Doing deeds is in our hands, and to pay for it is God's responsibility. But many a times we become impatient and start deciding what is good for us, and if it goes against our will, we get upset. Whereas God always pay us for our deeds on right time. And then we realize what our true happiness is, because we receive more than what we have expected. That's why they say, God always takes care of His children. We just need to have complete faith in Him.